Hi, I am Audrey Malander, one of the two co-founders of Computer Network and Information Technology, CNIT. In this video, we are going to give you an insight on how our project named Who's In, which is an attendance management system, is going to work. First of all, let's start by explaining why we decided to put this project forward. The idea of the project was born after reading a publication of studies conducted by a number of experts lately showing that school attendance is by far the strongest predictor of course performance. According to the same studies, chronic absenteeism is among the most valuable predictor of dropping out of high school, stronger even than suspensions and test scores. Because of these facts, some school executives are looking for ways to tackle this phenomenon efficiently. So, solving this problem today in Morocco for those executives is going to give their companies a competitive advantage over their opponents. And for government officials, it is one of the very few means available to lower the illiteracy rate, which is already the highest of the Maghreb region. Our solution is made of a number of features including attendance collection through biometric devices, collective and individual attendance report, automatic SMS alert to parents of absentee student, announcement of special events through emails and SMS, employee attendance module, real-time attendance information of ongoing school classes, etc. This said, now let's see how some features can be used by means of use cases. When a class is going to start, each student is asked before getting into the classroom to submit his fingerprint to a biometric input device located next to the classroom door, to record his attendance in the system database. This process takes place as long as the class is not over yet.
Boring class, I am not going to get in.
At the end of each class, the system retrieves from the database information about the absentee students and sends SMS and emails to parents of each one of them to notify them about the absence of their child. Each time a school executive wants to know who's attending which class, he can use this feature, which gives him a real-time specific class attendance information. Well, we hope that the video gave you a little bit insight about the project and you enjoy it. Of course, if you want more details about Who's In project, please let us know. Thanks for watching.